All right, everyone, welcome back to another How to Draw. Today we will be doing the fish from the Cat in the Hat. Now, today I do not have the book on me, so what I will do is I will put up a photo above just to give you a reference of what the character looks like, and let's begin. So, I want to kind of do the good old nodding, or not nodding. I want to do the scolding thing that he does where he has himself out in the bowl. So what do you say we draw his fish bowl first? So what we'll do is we'll draw a, just doesn't have to be a perfect circle. It's just gonna be a circle. And if not, then you can draw an oval, because worst comes to worst, we'll be changing it up anyway. Okay, and then we're going to make a smaller one from inside. This will be important for later. And if it does look a little scratchy, that is a-okay, because Dr. Seuss, I think, has almost like a style that does have some scratch lines on it. That's what I always find really cool about his art, or the art. Okay, and to make the fishbowl, I'm going to bring down a line here and a line down over here, because this will be where the fish bowl ends up having that area where the fish comes out of. So we're just going to connect those lines, but with a curved line. So going down and then up. And this one will be just going out the opposite way. Okay. And then we'll have this one out. Okay, already looks like a fishbowl. Good job, guys. Now we're just going to erase any unnecessary lines. So these ones here can go. This one here can go. And this one here can go. And I'm just gonna curve this a little bit. Okay. So next we're gonna do the fish. Now the fish is gonna look like one of those teardrops that I always like explaining them to be. You could also say a splash of water, since this is a fish after all. Okay. Now, when it comes to his hand, what we'll do is we'll just draw a fin like this, and a fin like, oh, I guess it's not really explaining. Okay. So, next what we'll do is we'll do a fin that looks almost like a triangle that's connecting to here. So, connecting both parts of the body. Oh. We will do that. Now, this is a lot harder without a reference than I thought it'd be. Okay. And what we'll do as well is we might as well give him a fin that's holding on to the fish bowl, eh? So we'll do a curve here and a curve here and a triangle to show that the fish is holding the bowl, kind of like that. Okay? And we'll erase any unnecessary lines along the process. So maybe this one, those ones are actually, this one here is kind of important, so we'll just bring that back. This one can go. This one can go. Okay. Now, what's another thing? So to make the fin on his back, what we're going to do is we're just going to make a big curve that goes out this way, a big curve that goes out this way. It's got like a mighty fierce fin. Okay, and because he's a fish and he's angry, we're just gonna maybe give him a big old face. Okay, and we'll just erase this part and erase any unnecessary lines, so that one's a good one to get rid of. We're going to just give him a bit more of a structure, kind of like what the fish has. So what I did essentially was okay. Now, last but not least, we'll do the eye, which again, I think that was done correctly. So we'll just line curve. And line curve. I don't think this is. And according to other references, I think he's got more than one fin, so we're just going to add another little piece of fin. Okay? Finally, for the tail, what we'll do is we're just going to add a curve right where the tail originally shows, and another part of the tail where it shows. So here and here. Adds this a little with a Sharpie speed up. If you'd like to do this as well, feel free. If not, then alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching.